Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video on General English, we are going to talk about some more rules on articles. So let's start the video. And the fifth rule that we have to study is the definite article is used with superlatives, with musical instruments and with ordinals. So whenever in a sentence you have any of these three, if you have any superlative word or if you have any musical instrument, and you have any ordinal number, then in all these cases you have to use the before them. Now you must be thinking that what are ordinals? Ordinals are all those numbers which are used for ranking. For example, you say first, second, third, fourth and so on. So the numbers, when they are written in this form, they are known as ordinals. We look at the examples now. This is the best book of elementary mathematics. So best is the superlative word over here. For your knowledge, I have to tell over here that superlatives are all those words or all those adjectives which are made by adding est or most before them. For example, you say youngest, smartest, oldest, most beautiful, most honest. So all these are superlative words. Similarly, you have best over here. So this has taken the with it. Okay. Next, he can play the flute. Flute is a musical instrument, that's why you have used the before it. Third, the 9th chapter of this book is very interesting. So that means 9th is an ordinal and that's why it has taken the before it. We can now move ahead to the 6th rule which says, the definite article is used before the names of things unique of their kind. So that means whenever in a sentence you have something which is unique of its kind or something which is only one, in that case you have to use the. For example, the sun, the sky, the moon and the earth. So all of them, they are unique and they are only one. There is nothing else like them. That's why they have taken the. Next, sometimes the is placed before a common noun to give it the meaning of an abstract noun. So I hope that by now you are very clear that what are common nouns and what are abstract nouns. So sometimes what do? We write the before a common noun to give it the meaning of an abstract nouns. So the moment you write the before some common nouns, they become abstract nouns for that sentence. For example, at last the warrior in him was thoroughly aroused. So that means warrior is a common noun. But in this sentence, it is an abstract noun. Why? Because we have used the before it. And the meaning of the sentence has also changed. The meaning is, we are not saying that he was the warrior. No, we are just saying that the qualities of a warrior, the qualities were aroused in him and he fought like a warrior. Okay? This is what the sentence says. I hope these rules are clear and we can now move ahead. So now we are going to discuss a very important point related to the articles which says the articles are used very specifically and only in the cases discussed earlier. There are some instances where no article is used. The article is omitted. Okay? So the more important part over here is knowing where not to use articles. I have told you all the cases where you have to use the articles. That is also an important thing. But most of us know that where we have to use articles, but we don't know where we do not have to use articles. And we commit blunders in speaking and writing. So to avoid that, you should definitely know where you don't have to use any article. And these cases are before names of substances and abstract nouns. So if you have the name of any substance and if you have any abstract noun, in that case, you don't have to use any article. I have told you what are abstract nouns. So we'll look at the examples. Sugar is bad for your teeth. Sugar is the name of a substance. Gold is a precious metal. Again, name of a substance. So in both these cases, you will not use any article. Okay? But there is a point which you should know. Uncountable nouns take the when used in a particular sense. So that means the can be used with uncountable noun in a particular case. And what is that particular sense? I can't forget the kindness with which he treated me. Now this is again the same case of specific or being particular. So now you are talking about a specific case or a specific instance of kindness with which he treated you. So now this talks about a specific act. In that case only, when you have to specify or when you have to talk about a particular sense of abstract noun or uncountable nouns, only then you can use the, otherwise you don't have to use the. So there are some more cases where you don't have to use the articles. We'll take them up in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep studying. Thank you.